Both the NCP and the Congress, speaking exclusively to NNIS, believe that some credit must be given to UPA, which did not happen in Modi's speech. PC Chako of the Congress is of the firm view that it was Manmohan Singh's effort that has borne fruit in Indo-US relations. Tariq Anwar of NCP, on the other hand, says that not only should America pay heed to what Modi has said, but India's internal problems should be also looked into as well.
He could speak in the American Congress and he could discuss with, the other international nuclear organizations, all because of the Indo-US nuclear deal signed by the UPA government. In his 45-minute speech, that is the only thing he has not mentioned. He represents a party which opposed the Indo-US nuclear treaty which was signed by Dr. Manmohan Singh's government. They opposed that, they tried to defeat that. Of course, now when he makes a speech in US Congress, at least he should have remembered that it was Dr. Manmohan Singh who made this historic agreement with America, and that is why he could speak the way he spoke in US Congress yesterday. About terrorism, what he said is a known fact. Whole world knows that who are the terrorists, and Pakistan also is a terrorist state. But the fact that we making this statement in the American Congress, then the natural question comes, what action the government of India has taken to tackle the situation.
जो इश्यूज उन्होंने उठाया है, अमेरिका को उसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए, खास तौर पर आतंकवाद के खिलाफ, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ उनको ये भी देखना चाहिए कि हमारे देश के अंदर जिस प्रकार का माहौल बिगड़ रहा है, आज इस देश का अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय, दलित अपने आप को आतंकित महसूस कर रहा है, तो देश की हालत को भी सुधारने के लिए